Tonight, something magical is happening above us. The moon, our constant companion in the night sky, will slowly slip into Earth's shadow. And for a brief moment, the world will witness one of the most beautiful celestial events, a lunar eclipse. But this is not just an astronomical event, it is a story of alignment, shadow, light, and cosmic precision that has fascinated humans for thousands of years. Let's journey together into the sky and understand what a lunar eclipse really is, why it turns red, and why tonight's eclipse is so special. Imagine the sun, the earth, and the moon perfectly lining up in space. Usually, the moon reflects sunlight and shines bright in the night sky. But during a lunar eclipse, the earth moves directly between the sun and the moon. When this happens, earth blocks the sunlight that normally illuminates the moon. Instead of disappearing completely, the moon enters Earth's shadow, and that is the beginning of the eclipse. There are three main stages: penumbral eclipse, when the moon enters the outer shadow; partial eclipse, when part of the moon is covered; total lunar eclipse, when the entire moon is inside Earth's shadow. Tonight, as the shadow slowly climbs across the lunar surface, we are literally watching celestial geometry in motion. Now, you might wonder, if Earth blocks the sun's light, why doesn't the moon turn completely dark? Why does it glow red? This breathtaking transformation is caused by Earth's atmosphere. As sunlight passes through Earth's atmosphere, shorter blue wavelengths scatter. The same reason our sky appears blue. The longer red wavelengths bend around the planet and reach the moon, painting it in shades of copper, crimson, and deep orange. This is why a total lunar eclipse is often called a blood moon. It is not mystical, it's physics. It's light bending through the thin layer of air that protects life on Earth. Unlike a solar eclipse, you don't need special glasses to watch a lunar eclipse. It is completely safe to observe with your naked eyes. Tonight, if the sky is clear, you will notice the moon gradually dimming. Then slowly a shadow will creep across its surface. There is something deeply calming about this process. No sudden darkness, no dramatic flash, just a slow, graceful cosmic dance. find a quiet place, look up, and watch as time itself seems to slow down. For ancient civilizations, lunar eclipses were mysterious and sometimes frightening. Many cultures believed the moon was being swallowed by a celestial creature. Others saw it as a divine message or omen. In India, people have historically observed eclipse with spiritual significance, often practicing meditation, prayer, or reflection during this rare alignment of celestial bodies. In modern times, however, we understand the science, and yet the wonder remains exactly the same. Even today, when we watch an eclipse, we are sharing the same sky viewing experience as our ancestors thousands of years ago. Every lunar eclipse is unique. The exact shade of red, the duration, and the visibility vary depending on atmospheric conditions and Earth's shadow geometry. Tonight's eclipse reminds us of something profound. The universe operates with extraordinary precision. The moon orbits Earth, Earth orbits the Sun, and occasionally everything aligns perfectly to create a cosmic masterpiece visible from our teeny planet. Events like this connect science, nature, and human curiosity into one moment of shared awe. If you want the best viewing experience tonight, here are a few simple tips. First, choose a location away from city lights if possible. Second, check the local eclipse timings for your region. Third, give your eyes a few minutes to adjust to the darkness. You can use naked eyes, binoculars, a telescope, or even a smartphone camera. But remember, the most beautiful way to watch a lunar eclipse is simply by being present. The moon has always been more than just a celestial object. It influences tides, calendars, poetry, and human imagination. And during a lunar eclipse, it feels closer than ever. As its brightness fades and turns red, we are reminded that even in shadow, beauty exists. There is a quiet lesson hidden in this event. Even when light is blocked, it never truly disappears. It transforms. Did you know a total lunar eclipse can last up to nearly 2 hours? Also, lunar eclipses are visible from anywhere on Earth where the moon is above the horizon, unlike solar eclipses, which are visible only in narrow paths. And here is the most fascinating fact. Astronauts on the moon during a lunar eclipse would see a glowing red ring around Earth, a view of all the world's sunsets and sunrises at once. Tonight's lunar eclipse is more than an astronomical event. It is a reminder of our place in the universe. We live on a rotating planet, orbiting a star, while a natural satellite circles us endlessly. And occasionally, everything aligns to create moments of cosmic poetry. In a fast moving digital world, events like this ask us to pause, to look up, to breathe, and to remember that the universe is still full of wonder. As the Earth's shadow slowly moves away and the moon regains its glow, the eclipse will end. But the memory of this celestial moment will stay with us. So tonight, step outside, look at the sky, and witness a silent cosmic story unfolding above you. Because while cities sleep and screens glow, the universe continues its timeless dance. And for a brief moment, we get front row seats to the shadow of our own planet touching the moon. During a lunar eclipse, chanting mantras is considered highly powerful and spiritually beneficial in Hindu tradition. Best for peace of mind, emotional balance, and removing negativity, you chant Om Shomaya Namaha Chandra Mantra. You may chant Mahamrutyunjay Mantra.